Hello everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome to my channel. Today, let us explore what's inside a beehive. Bees first appeared on Earth 130 million years ago. Bees live in beehive, which are made up of hexagonal cells. They make hexagonal cells because bees want no wastage of space, more storage space to store nectar. Less beeswax should be used to make cells. Circles create wasted space. Lot of beeswax is needed to make circular cells. Squares occupy lot of space. Lot of beeswax is needed to make square cells. Triangles are small in size. Less amount of beeswax is needed, but these cells will store less amount of honey. So the hexagonal cells are the best. Honeybee colony. Honeybee colonies consist of a single queen, hundreds of male drones, and 20,000 to 80,000 female worker bees. Drones are the only male in the colony. Job of a queen bee. Queen bee is the head of the colony. She is bigger than the other bees and her only job is to lay eggs. She moves around the hive and lays an egg in each empty cell. Job of a drone bee. Drone bee mate with the queen bee for producing eggs. Job of a worker bee. Worker bees find the larvae. Worker bees secrete bee wax. They collect nectar and convert it into honey. They construct the honeycomb. They clean the hive. Stinger. Worker bees have barbed stinger, which help them to protect their hive from enemies. Queen bee has straight stinger. Pollen basket is a smooth cavity on the surface of its hind leg to collect the pollen from flowers. Communication in bees. If the food is nearby, they perform the round dance. If the food is far, they perform the waggle dance. Thanks for watching. For motivating me, please like, share and subscribe.